Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Dani Jade. If you're new here, hello. Today I'm going to be doing a review and a tutorial using the Lullabellz clip-in extensions. These are the synthetic ones and they are the textured wave sort of style. For the tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I do like a half up, half down sort of look in the quickest and simplest way. And yeah, like I said, I'm going to be giving you a little bit of a review on the product as well. So before we get into the video, please go and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see when I'm next going to be posting. Okay, let's get on with the video. So we're going to start off with the review. So as I showed you before, these are the Lullabellz clip-in synthetic extensions. Okay, so this is what we have. Look at this mop. Okay, so I'm just going to pick up one piece. The shade that I've got is the same shade that I've got for the long ponytail, which I do have another video about. Go and check that out if you haven't already. So these are in the shade chocolate brown. It is probably the tiniest little bit lighter than my natural hair colour, but the ends of my hair are a little bit lighter anyway, so they really blend in, which is great. Now the length of these are pretty long. I think these are like 26 inch. I'm not entirely sure, but I'll make sure I put that in the description. The hair, as I said in my previous video, the hair is synthetic, but generally because of the textured sort of material and hair that they use for these ones, I find that this hair is so soft. It literally is so flowy. It feels like normal, like natural, like human hair. Now I haven't had these as long as the ponytails that I've had, but it's literally the same hair, so I expect it to last as well and as long. So with the set you get 5 actual like strips of extensions. So the biggest part, which I'll show you here, this has got 5 little clips, as you can see. This is the longest and thickest piece. Then you've got the same thing, but you've got 4 clips, so this is the second biggest one. Then we've got a smaller one, which has got 3 clips, but still really thick. And then finally, you've got 2 little ones, which have 2 clips each. So it's 5 pieces in total, and it is a lot of hair. So if I show you quickly, this is the biggest piece. This is the 5 clip piece, and as you can see, look how thick that hair is. Okay, literally I would use this piece just by itself because it is so thick, and yeah, I feel like using all 5 of the different pieces, for me the hair it's too much. It doesn't look as natural and it's just so heavy. So the great thing about these is that the actual hair, the weight of the hair that they put on each little strip of clips, is really thick, so you don't have to put in so many extensions, which makes it so much easier and also so much quicker because you're literally going to clip in like 1 or 2 pieces if you're just doing a really simple hairstyle. One other thing, the little line here where it's all attached, it is really seamless, so it's not like really bulky, and the clips are really small as well. You can see they're quite thin. Really just blends in with your natural hair, especially if you're like me and you have kind of thinner hair already. Sometimes with extensions I'll find that the clips are really bulky and my natural hair won't cover them as well, and you can sort of see them sticking out. But these ones are really thin, so definitely great. Overall, another great product, I think, from Lullabellz. The quality is amazing for the price. The hair feels really real and natural. The one thing that was a little bit annoying with this product that I bought, so when I got these, I didn't get them too long ago actually, but yeah, something a little bit annoying. One of the clips, you can probably see it here, has just come off, and this is the biggest piece, the 5-piece one, which yeah is a little bit annoying, but you can literally, like, there's a hole here and I can just sew it back on. I just haven't got around to it yet, but yeah, when I got them that just came off straight away, which is annoying. But it can be fixed, so it's all good. Alright, so definitely would recommend these hair extensions if you're looking for a quick, easy way to make your hair look really long and nice. So let's get on to the tutorial. I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to get a half up, half down, really long hairstyle using these extensions. Okay, I'm going to do my best to try and film this. Obviously a lot of it is going to be going on the back of my head, so I am going to be turning around quite a lot. Hopefully I can set the camera up so that you can see it. So my hair is a mess as usual. It is a big poof. I have just washed it and blow dried it, so it's not really curly, it's not really straight, it's just fluffy. But the great thing about these extensions and this hairstyle is that I'm gonna hardly have to do any styling to my own hair, which is great. So first step is gonna be sectioning off my hair, and I'm gonna do this as if I was doing a half up, half down look with my own hair. So normally I would take it just where my ears are and then sort of part up like this and take the hair. It doesn't have to be neat or anything. And say for example, if this was my own hair, this would be the bit that's up and that's the bit that's down. Okay, so that's the first part. But because we're going to be using extensions, we want a little bit more hair, so we're going to take a little bit extra, okay, to this split here. So we're going to take a bit extra than what I would normally use for a half up, half down look. Okay, let me try and turn around. So hopefully you can see that my hair, I've split it into two sections. Let's section off this top piece of hair, and I'm just going to tie it into a really messy bun on the top of my head so it's out of the way. Now, the best part about this hairstyle, I've got all of this fluff at the back, and what we are going to do with this, because these hair extensions are so thick, you don't even need your own hair to blend in with it. It's literally like putting on like a wig or something. So all of this hair here that I've got, we're gonna hide it, okay? And we're gonna put the extensions over the top. All I'm gonna do, my hair a little bit of a brush, okay? And then in the tightest little plait at the back of my head, I'm gonna do that with all of this hair, literally all of it. Next, I'm going to be putting this and bobby pinning it on the back of my head so it is as flat as possible, because we're going to be putting the extensions over the top of it to cover it. Okay, so I have a nice flat bun at the back of my head. Next part, we're going to take the 4-clip piece of hair extensions and we're literally just going to clip that right over the top of the bun. No, this is the 5. This one is the 4 piece. So we've got the first piece of hair clipped in, okay? If you have got the 5-clip and it's not broken like mine, then I definitely recommend using the 5 just because it's thicker. But yeah, we're going to use the 4-clip for now, which is it's still going to work. So next, we're going to take the 3-clip part and we're just going to clip that right over the top of the other bit that we have. Now make sure when you're doing this the clips are really secure, so if you have to go back in like I'm doing now and just really clip them down tight, then make sure you do. So look at how thick that is, and that's just with 2 clips, 2 strips of extensions. So next we are going to take down this part at the top. When I sectioned this off, I said that I've sectioned enough hair so that I can put that piece up at the top, the half up ponytail part, and I've got a little bit of extra hair which I'm going to section off like a thin layer, and it's going to cover the extension strip right at the back. We're going to section that off, so you want to section it literally a layer just above where you've clipped in the hair extension. So you want enough hair that it will cover and hide those clips, okay? Hopefully you can see that at the back. I've sectioned off and I've got this hair here which is going to cover over those extension strips. Okay, and then this part of my hair is going to be the part which is going up in the ponytail. Okay, so next you want to take all of your hair that you just sectioned. This is the part of your hair which you're going to have to style just a little bit, but think about it, it's only a tiny little bit of your hair. It's hardly any because we managed to hide most of the bottom half. All I'm going to be doing is to match it with the sort of waved style of the extensions. I'm just going to be using my hair straightener and sort of crimping it. So I'm going to do that now and speed it up for you. That didn't take me too long, maybe like 10 minutes, okay? Obviously, if you've got a wave wand, that would literally have been half the time, okay? But I was doing it with straighteners, so yeah, it took a little bit longer, but so much easier than having to do your entire head of hair. Okay, so the final part, we're going to be doing the ponytail. We're going to be using just one of these 2 clip pieces. Alright, so I'm going to flip the head over and I'm going to clip these in. Hopefully you can see it at least a little bit. But I'm clipping them in the direction that the pony is going to go. Okay, just like that. Alright, and then we're going to put that up onto the top of our head. So sometimes people will hide the clips like we did with the other set with a little bit of extra hair, but because there's only 2 clips, when you've got the pony down as well, you're not going to be able to see them, and we are trying to do this in the quickest time possible, so we're going to skip that step. We want to do it real quick. So scrape back your hair and hairspray these front parts as much as possible, just to get down all that baby hair. Okay, so we've got a pony on top now, and literally all that's left to do now is blend in these little strands to the ponytail. So again, I'm going to quickly do that now and speed it up for you. That is the finished hairstyle. It's really nice and blended. You can hardly even see my pieces of hair, which is great. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that you enjoyed it and you have now learnt what you can do with these fantastic extensions from Lullabellz. Definitely a product that I would recommend, and if you want to see any more hairstyles that I do with these extensions, then let me know in the comments. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon.